So Agnieszka, let's start.
So first, hello everyone and welcome. My name is Agnieszka Brejdak and together with Marta Mikiewicz, we run the ESG solution. Today we are pleased to host our guest, Dr. Kazbulat Shogenov, researcher at Tallinn University of Technology. In this short conversation, we will talk about the Hy-EDU project and the importance of educating future engineering about the hydrogen transport and storage. Thank you for joining us today, Dr. Shogenov, and let's begin our discussion. So, first question. To start, could you briefly introduce the role of Tallinn University of Technology in the Hy-EDU project?
TalTech is responsible for the MOOC course activities. We coordinate module development, manage their placement, and ensure the timely submission of content to the platform. Additionally, we oversee all course verification and testing procedures.
Great.
Great. So why it's important to educate future engineers about hydrogen transport and storage?
Educating future engineers about hydrogen transport and storage is critical because hydrogen is a missing link in the global energy transition. While we have made great strides in renewable energy generation, the ability to store and transport that energy on a massive industrial scale remains our biggest challenge. Without specialists who understand subsurface hydrogen storage, the European Green Deal simply cannot be finally realized.
Thank you for the importance of the topic. As we can see, it's very important for the European strategy. So now I'd like to ask you about the skills of the future, because the topic is important, but what do you think will be the most important skills for the future engineers who want to work with hydrogen transport and storage system?
Working with hydrogen is significant more complex than working with traditional hydrocarbons. Future engineers need a deep understanding of material science and fluid dynamics. Secondly, they must master subsurface geology and reservoir engineering to safely manage large-scale underground storage. Finally, in a rapidly evolving regulatory landscape, safety management and risk assessment skills are paramount. Hydrogen has unique properties, high diffusivity and flammability that require a mindset focus on precision and proactive safety protocols.
Okay, thank you very much. So as we can see, the skills for the future are very important, and it's good that our project will develop and help to develop all those skills. And the next question is about the impact of the Hy-EDU project. What do you think our Hy-EDU project will contribute to Europe transition towards a hydrogen-based energy system?
The transition to a hydrogen economy is impossible without massive workforce scaling. Currently, Europe faces a significant skills gap. We have a political will and technology, but not enough specialists to implement it. The Hy-EDU project acts as a bridge. By providing standardized, high-quality education through our MOOC, we are essentially democratizing expertise, allowing engineers across the continent to quickly and efficiently enter to the hydrogen sector. This speed of knowledge transfer is exactly what Europe needs to meet its 2030-2050 climate targets.
Okay. You mentioned about the MOOC. In Hy-EDU project, you are responsible for developing MOOC course. Could you tell us more about this course and to whom it's designed for?
The course is designed for a broad yet specialist audience. It's primarily for engineering students and postgraduates who want to specialize in the green energy sector and gain a competitive edge in the job market. Industry professionals, current engineers in the oil and gas or chemical sectors who needs to reskill or upskill to pivot for hydrogen, and policymakers and project developers who needs a solid technical understanding to make informed decisions about hydrogen infrastructure and energy security. Our goal is to make this knowledge available to anyone.
So thank you. So students and postgraduates who want to get hard skills for the future, hard hydrogen skills, and know all about the hydrogen transport and storage systems. So so good to know. And my last question is about the international collaboration, because Hy-EDU brings together several international partners like Silesian University of Technology, University of Brescia, or a technical university from Freiburg, and also your university. How does this collaboration contribute to development of the course? Can you tell us about this collaboration?
Hy-EDU Project is a powerhouse of European technical expertise. By bringing together 5 leading institutions, we ensure that the MOOC reflects the full complexity of the hydrogen economy. Technical University of Freiburg, Germany, is world-class leaders in mining and underground technologies, providing the foundation for salt cavern storage. Silesian University of Technology, Poland, brings critical expertise in thermal engineering, fuel technology, and the integration of hydrogen into heavy industrial processes. University of Brescia, Italy, experts in mechanical systems and the decarbonization of energy grids. Ecolab Foundation Poland focuses on the circular economy and ensuring the sustainability of the entire hydrogen value chain. And my university, Tallinn University of Technology from Estonia, as a digital architect and geological expert, we focus on subsurface storage modeling and the technical coordination of the MOOC platform. This collaboration is vital because hydrogen is a cross-border challenge.
So as you said, it's a strong consortium of good partners, a lot of knowledge about the hydrogen transport and storage systems, and a great knowledge about the skills of the future in this course. So maybe the last question, closing question today, Agnieszka.
Yeah, my question is the last one. What key skills or knowledge will participants get from the course, our course?
Participants will gain both strategic understanding and practical technical knowledge of the hydrogen value chain with a particular focus on transport and storage. They will understand how hydrogen behaves under different geological and engineering conditions, how underground storage systems are designed, and what technical risks must be managed. Just as importantly, they will develop an interdisciplinary mindset combining engineering, safety, and environmental awareness and energy policy. In other words, the course is designed not only to transfer knowledge, but to prepare professionals who can make competent decisions in real hydrogen projects.
So as you said, very interesting knowledge and very needed skills for the future and for the European hydrogen strategy. So thank you very much for your voice.
Thank you.
Thank you. So as we said and Dr. said, the Hy-EDU project is really has a really strong knowledge in hydrogen and transport, and makes a lot of skills of the future for the students and for postgraduates who wants to get all this knowledge. So thank you very much for this discussion, and see you then in Hy-EDU project in our next steps. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Welcome. Yes.